Hans here, working on my Harbor Freight mini mill CNC conversion. So what I've got on the granite slab here is the table from the mini mill, and it is mini, as you can see. I've got a 1/10 of a thousandth of an inch indicator mounted, and I've determined that these ways they're flared up on the ends, basically like a banana. The surface of the table is flat. I scraped those ways, so I'm fully seated on this granite. So as you can see, if I slide the indicator to the center, I'm zeroed out right there. And then as I go outward, then I'm getting out to almost 2 thousandths of an inch high, and then coming back to the center, I'm back at zero, and now I'm back out a good 2 thousandths plus high on this other end. So this thing is definitely banana shaped. Now I'll check out the other side next, but you get the picture here.